Imagine this. You're finally building your dream home in Africa. You arrived on site with your sunglasses on, big boss vibes, and suddenly you realize your workforce looks like a WhatsApp group chat gone wrong. Except you're not online. You're standing in a dust and cement site. You got a mason who only speaks Amharic, a welder who sweats by Ugandan time, always 2 hours late, and a foreman who thinks shouting across the site is an official communication. Now that the walls are going up, the windows don't fit, and your cousin's whispering, bro, maybe you should just buy an apartment instead. Sounds familiar? Yeah, today we are going to fix that. By the way, I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Muhammad, and if you want the inside scoop on how to actually build your dream home in Africa without losing your money or sanity, hit that subscribe button right now because you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to manage and motivate a diverse workforce so your dream home doesn't become the next viral African building fail scheme. Chapter 1. The challenge of diversity. Here's the thing. Africa is the most diverse continent on earth. And your construction site, it's a mini Africa. Different tribes, languages, work ethic, even different definition of quality of work. One worker says, this plaster is smooth. Another worker says, this plaster is smoother than my uncle's head. Your engineer says, this plaster wouldn't even pass a kindergarten's art class. Boom, chaos. But don't panic, because the solution is actually simple. If you follow what I call the 3C rule, clarity, culture, and care. Stick with me because by the end, you'll know how to run your site like a pro, even if your workforce looks like an African Union summit. Chapter 2, clarity. Number 1 of the 3 C's, clarity. Let me tell you the secret. Workers don't do what you say. They do what they see. If you say, make that wall smooth, you'll get 50 shades of smooth. Show them a sample wall. Suddenly, everybody's on the same page. It's like dating. You can say you want a serious relationship, but unless you define serious, you might end up married in 3 months or ghosted in 3 days. Tips for clarity. Use mock-ups. Don't just talk, show. Repeat instructions. Different language means different things get lost. Say it twice, 3 times. Use site photos or sketches. Snap it, draw it, confirm it. Think of yourself as Netflix. Workers are subscribers. You must give them previews, trailers, and constant reminders. Otherwise, they'll start building season 2 and you're still on episode 1. Chapter 3, culture. Now let's talk about culture. Listen, culture is not just about food, music, and dance. On-site culture shows up as how people take instructions, how they handle mistakes, whether I'll do tomorrow means tomorrow or next year. Example, in East Africa, workers often avoid saying no. They'll say, we will try. Translation, this will never happen in your lifetime. In West Africa, they will tell you straight, Oga, this thing no go work. If you don't understand these differences, you'll misinterpret silence as an agreement and end up with a staircase that goes to nowhere. Solution, hire a bridge leader, someone bilingual or cross-cultural who understands both sides. Learn basic greetings in their languages. It shows respect. Never assume agreement means action. Always confirm. Think of your site as a wedding. You got uncles from the village, aunties from abroad, cousins from the city. If you don't manage culture right, someone will bring a goat into the reception. Chapter 4, care. Finally care. Motivation is universal. People work hard when they feel respected and rewarded. But here's the trick. Money alone doesn't cut it. If money alone worked, billionaires wouldn't get divorced, right? 3 ways to show care. 1. Praise in public, correct in private. Workers hate being embarrassed in front of their peers. Number 2, celebrate milestones. Foundation completed, bring drinks. Roof on, throw a mini banquet. It costs you $20 but gains you in $2,000 in loyalty. Number 3, fairness beats favoritism. If one worker feels another is treated better, resentment spreads faster than cement dust in Harmattan. Think of motivation like a Wi-Fi. Everyone's happier when it's strong, fast, and free. The moment it lacks, chaos erupts. Chapter 5, the payoff. When you use the 3C rule, clarity, culture, care, everything changes. Projects move faster, quality skyrockets. Workers protect your project like it's their own baby. And that's how you stop your dream home from becoming a concrete nightmare. So next time you are managing a diverse workforce, remember this. You're not just building walls, you're building relationships, respect, and results. If this video saved you from at least one gray hair, then hit the subscribe button, like this video, and follow me for more real, funny, brutally honest advice about building your dream home in Africa. Because listen, your dream home deserves to be built right the first time.